English around the world. Australia, by car or by plane? In this unit, we are going to explore nature in Australia and the enormous distances between cities. Australia is located in the continent of Oceania. Australia comprises the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. It is the world's sixth largest country by total area. Australia's landmass is 7,617,930 meters squared. Australia has 34,218 kilometers of coastline. Australia is considered the world's largest island. The climate of Australia is significantly influenced by the ocean. Australia's population is only 22.7 million. The population density, 2.8 inhabitants per square kilometer, is among the lowest in the world. The biggest cities are concentrated in the eastern state and mainly along the coast. The distances in Australia are sometimes enormous. For instance, the distance from Perth to Canberra is 3,700 kilometers, so some Australians have their own planes. Also, people can take an air taxi. Australia's size gives it a wide variety of landscapes, with subtropical rainforests in the northeast, mountain ranges in the southeast, southwest, and east areas, and dry areas in the center. 18% of Australia mainland is a desert. Australia is also the flattest continent. Australia has some of the world's most distinctive and diverse natural environments. With unique wildlife and spectacular landscapes, including many national parks and World Heritage areas. Let's explore some animals. A kangaroo. The kangaroo is an Australian icon. Also, the koala is an icon. A short-beaked echidna, a wombat, a dingo, a kookaburra, an emu. Australia is home to many dangerous animals. A crocodile, a blue ring octopus, a red-back spider. Australia is home of some of the most venomous snakes in the world. The eucalyptus is a common tree in Australia, and also the acacia tree. Thanks to everybody who shared their pictures and videos.